Yo, 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 welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I am ready today. I am so excited because I've got a really off-key trainer. It's not off-key, it's actually really good. So before I even start, I just want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed. If you like my content, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded new videos. So let's just get into this. Trying a different vibe today. I'm mixing it up. As you can see, it's a different background, so I'm just going to see how this works. And you know, this is weird, yeah. I usually show the boxes anyway, but this time I need to show the box it was delivered in. So like I said, this is a collab between Undercover and Nike, and it's the Overbreak SPs in black. But this is how this is the box it's delivered in. Straight away, look at that. And then inside the box, I've taken out the paper. Oh, there's a bit of paper there. But yeah, man, that's the delivery box. Alright, the trainer itself comes in this. Look at that. Black box with a patent Nike swoosh sign on the top. On the side, you've got Undercover by Jan Takahashi. On the other side, it's the same theme by Jan Takahashi. This side is nothing, and then on this side, which is got the hole for the pull drawer, you've got the details, and this says Nike Overbreak / Undercover black metallic silver black. So let's just get into this. Let's open this up. Like I said, it's the pull drawer, so that's a bit of quality from Nike. It's not just a standard Nike box. Take it all out because you need to see this. First thing you got is black paper. It says Undercover, Nike, Jan Takahashi. Open it up like a present. And then inside you've got another piece of paper, like the normal white paper you get with trainers. And then you've got these babies. Okay. I'm going to do what I normally do. I'm going to start with the sole. So as you can see, we've got the Overreact sole, or they call it Overbreak sole, with the React unit, so it's massive, okay? Black base, and you've got the white elements up here, which usually I've been told it's a part of the Undercover branding. They do this quite a lot. That's at the, and that travels up to the toe cap, as you can see there, and the white also is on the bottom of the heel, just there. Sorry, why am I looking over there? White is on the bottom of the heel, just there as well. The Overreact covers the whole. It is the sole and the midsole is all one. Okay, it's like they've taken the trainer and squished it in, and then pulled it out, and that's what's been left on it. It's a wicked design. I love it. Alright, it travels all the way around the shoe, as you can see. Okay, at the toe cap it's white, it travels up onto the toe cap. On the toe box you've got the motif Balance, and that's on the right shoe, and on the left shoe the motif Chaos. Now that's the Undercover branding. If we go back to the right shoe, above the midsole, as you can see, you've got a base nylon material. On top of that you've got the silver swoosh, and the rose motif, which is Undercover, just on top of the swoosh. Just covering the tip of the swoosh is a suede material that travels completely around the whole of the shoe. The toe cap, not the whole of the shoe, the front of the shoe, and again stops just parallel with the lateral side of the shoe. Again, you've got the silver swoosh on the inside of the shoe, and the sock lining is a white or cell type colour or cream. Inside you've got more branding, which is the Nike with the red swoosh, and Undercover with Jan Takahashi underneath that. The tongue itself has a Nike swoosh on top, and again the branding of the Undercover and Jan Takahashi in there. You can't pull out the insole, so I can't show you what that's like. But another interesting thing about this, if you go to the eyelets, around the eyelet is a rubber base, but it's got like a triangle, like, you know, Predator football boots, where they're in a triangle like type grip that's completely around, that covers the eyelets where the laces are. The laces themselves are like a thick rope, really nice. You can squash it a bit, but it's like a rope, and you know, it just adds to the shoe. I think it's a really nice shoe. This on foot, madness. So comfortable. As soon as you put your foot in it, you can feel the React cushioning in it. It is superb. You put this on, you're gonna listen. You can walk for days in this. I'm telling you now. This Overreact element or whatever done, Overbreak, it just works. It really just works. It's so comfortable. This could be your everyday ride. No lie, it's that comfortable. You'll just want to put them on because everything won't feel the same. Trust me. So it really works. These are true to size. Okay, you don't have to go size up or size low. These are true to size. On feet, when looking down, they don't look too wide. I know they look a bit wideish here, but I think, you know, I expect them to feel and look a bit wider than what they do. They actually don't. They look really nice actually. They're quite nice to look down and see your foot. So that's it. Sorry, I forgot to say, on the heel, for the heel pull, you've got silver, which is the only silver on this is the swoosh and the back of the heel, and as you can see it says Undercover, Jan Takahashi, another branding, and that's about it. So you definitely know what this shoe is. It's the Overbreak they call this, the Overbreak SPs. Nice.